Good morning, children. Good morning, class 2. So, hope chapter 1 you have understood. You have written the question answer. You have learned very well. Okay. So, chapter 1, mm, take the correct answer and true and false. Also, I will give you that. Also, you will write it. Okay. So, let's start chapter 2. Okay. So, chapter 2 is also very easy. And the name of the chapter 2 is Role of Computer. That is chapter 2. Okay, role of computer. Role of computer means where we can use the computer for what purposes. Okay, like in school we use computer for so many purposes. We use at home for so many purposes. We use in bank for so many purposes. We use in office for many purposes. We use the computer in airport. We use the computer in railway stations. Okay, we use the computer in hospital. We use the computer in designing the dresses and other different things, and we use the computer in publishing books. Okay, even the scientists, they use the computer for research, and even the army, they use the defense, they use the computer for their different work. Communications, today computers are used. Okay, today you see transport, the goods which are transported from one place to another, in everywhere computers are used. So you see here we can we can so we are going to see what is the role of computer in school first. Okay, so you see, let's see what is the role of computer in school. Today you see every school computers are used. Okay, now what is the use of computer in school? So first, the computers helps a teacher, okay, to teach the student about audio and video. Now you see in computer lab we can learn about computer, okay, about how to draw, how to listen to music. So different things we can learn with the help of computer. So the teacher teaches the students in school with the help of a computer. Next is the computer. If you are connecting internet with the computer, so we can gather lots of informations about different things. Okay, so through computer only we can learn about it. After that, in school the teacher make report cards. Your result, that is your report cards, are prepared by the teacher with the help of a computer. So you see computer have lots of uses. Okay, after that, computer helps in keeping the record of books in school library. In school library there are lots of books. So the librarian, what they does, so they keep a record how many books are there, how many books has been issued to the children. Okay, so these all records are kept in a computer. So this is also the use of a computer in school. After that, students, okay, they can collect the books from the library and can read the books. They can take it at home and study. So these all records are kept in a computer. After that, in in school office, the computer keeps record of all the students, okay, all according to the classes, in a fee counter, where in school the fees are collected. So every reports are kept in a computer. So you see in school there are lots of uses are there with the help of a computer. Okay, so you see even the student can learn so many things with the help of computer in school. You all are learning, you all are enjoying the drawing. You, when you go to more higher classes, you will be learning more about a computer. So in school it has lots of uses. Okay, now second uses we are going to see what is the importance of computer at home. Now you see children, at home also, okay, at home also there are different uses of a computer. So today we use computers at home also for different purposes. The computer helps you to do your homework. when you're free, you can play, okay, games. You can play games, you can do lots of other activities, you can watch your favorite cartoon, you can draw, you can put a color. Okay, so you see at home you can utilize it for doing your homework, playing games. And one more thing, even when you have at homes, even you can listen to music. If you're feeling boring, you have done your work, okay, you can listen to music, you can watch your favorite cartoon movies with the help of a computer. And nowadays you see, by staying at home, you can do online shopping also. So you see, with the help of internet connection in your computer at home, you can do online shopping. You can buy the goods which you like, you can do your payment, everything with the help of your computer at home. So you see lots of things. Today your mother want to prepare some new dish, so she can collect the information from the computer and prepare a new dish and present to you. Okay, so many things we can do with the help of computer. Okay children, so you see it has a lots of advantages. Okay, so you see, even you see sometime your elder brother sister, they are doing the assignment, they does their homework. So even you all also can do it. You can find out so many things, okay, about information, and you can learn about it. You will get more and more better knowledge. Okay, even if someone of you are good in drawing, you can make a drawing, you can put a color, okay, and you can enjoy it, okay, only in a free time. So computer helps you to learn even at home also. Okay, if anyone don't know, even you can teach to your younger brother and sister how to draw, how to listen music, how to on the computer. So these all things, this is the role of a computer at home. Okay, now we are going to see how computer play important role in hotel and shops. Children, hotel and shop. So wherever you go in a restaurant, sometime you go to a restaurant with your parents, so you can see the bill which comes, it is also prepared in a computer. Okay, the menu list which is given by the restaurant or given by the hotel owner to select the food items, so you see that is also prepared by your computer. So in a restaurant, what is the stock of food, what is new item has been made, how much item has been sold, okay, these all are recorded in a computer. So in shop also computers are very very important. Okay, see, as how important is in hotel is important in shop also. Today if you have a shop, you are selling any goods, you have to keep a record. Yeah, I have sold this much goods, this much good has been sold in particular day. So every day's transaction can be recorded in a computer, so it becomes very easy for you to find out whether you have done any mistake or not. So to keep a record, these all are, that is your restaurant shops are using a computer so that they won't make any mistakes. Okay children, next you see, let's see in next what are the uses. Now in offices, now children you see, in offices also people goes to office, like your parents, they are working in office. So in office also computers are used. Without computer we cannot do any work. Now you see, computer helps in giving presentation. We have to make a business presentation, so that is also made with the help of a computer. Next is like in doing calculations. Okay, if suppose your father or your parent, they are working as an accountant, so to keep a record of all the transaction, so they have to do calculation with the help of a computer. So computer will help them. Next, like typing a letter, okay, sending emails. So these all are done in office with the help of your computer. If they have to present and they have to make any presentation regarding any product or any office presentation. So it is not possible to make it today's times. Today you see, today everything's are so neat and clean. They are made very quickly within a short period of time with the help of a computer. So today in office also, everything's are made, every works are done in a short period of time with the help of a computer. Okay children, next is about your bank. So you know the bank is a place where we deposit and withdraw our money. Okay, maybe many times you went to a bank with your parents. Okay, you might have seen the bank. So when you go next time, when you go to bank with your parents, but in this lockdown you should never go. So when it will be all right, you may go with your parents. Okay, so when you will go to bank, you can see in the bank the people are working, so they are using computer. So without computer we cannot do any kinds of work. So they are using computer for maintaining the account. Today if you have an account, if you went to a bank to deposit 1000, so when you will deposit they will record it, and the record will be done in a computer. Okay, if today anyone have to withdraw means you want to take out money from the bank, so whatever amount you will withdraw, it will also be recorded in your bank, that is it will be recorded in a computer. So it becomes very easy for a person, for a cashier to record every transaction in the bank, so that they will not make any mistake in future. Okay, so it becomes very easy. Now you see, today everyone does not go in bank to withdraw, because always 24 hours your ATMs are open. So ATM is also a computer. So when you go to ATM, you see it is a computer. So when you take your ATM card, you have to put your password. So when you are using it, you have to press your pin. So when you're doing so, you might have seen your parents, they are withdrawing the money. So that is also a computer. So you see today in ATM, other machine cannot be set up. That means only computer can do these kinds of work. So you see, so systematically today wherever we go, today if you go to other places also, and if you don't carry money, if you have your ATM card, you can withdraw the money with the help of a computer. That is, with in ATM computers are kept so that we can utilize its benefits. Okay children, and the computer keeps you, computers also helps you to do your online payment. For example, today if you are purchasing any online goods, you're buying, suppose you're buying a school bag. Okay, your parents are buying school bag for you, water bottle, tiffin. So at that time, sometime we can do the payment through online. So you see, with the help of computer we can do all these kinds of things. So children, so today different, okay, so a computer has lots of role today we have seen. So everywhere computer are useful. Okay, once more you look at the blackboard. Okay, so computers are used in school. So I've said in school teachers are using a computer to teach the students. Okay, students they learns, every reports are prepared, even the lesson planning are made with the help of a computer. At home, you can use your computer for learning different thing, for making drawing, listening music, watching your favorite cartoon. Okay, so you see, so many things we can do with the help of computer at home. Next, hotel and shops also, they are using computer for keeping records, okay, of the transactions. Next, in offices also, you have seen lots of things are done with the help of computers. Okay, and next is, that is your last is your, so we have done hotels, offices, and this bank I have said you. So in bank also every kinds of work is done in bank with the help of computers. Today without computer we cannot do any kinds of work. Okay children, chapter 2 is not completed, this is half of a chapter. Okay, so whatever I have taught you have already done in class 1, so here you will listen and you will do it. Along with these I will give you some homework also. which you will write in your copy and you will do it. Okay children, goodbye, take care.